Yeah, you can share the screen.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, so as you also said earlier in the last class that in mapping, it's basically like a key is assigned to a value, and it's like this. So uh, the example that they've provided is like countries and as well as the currency that each holds. So the key value is United States, and then the value is dollar. Uh, like how we are assigning list or sets. In this case, we define it like this, like string comma string. And we can also have nested is where, yeah, we can also have like nested collection. Um,
Okay, wait for a while. So now, when you were defining list or set, there was only one type.
yes,
And you used to write one data type, whether it was integer, whether it is string, whether it's double, whatever. Right?
right,
But here in map, you give two types, right? One is
right,
for key. The first one is for key, which behaves like a set. And the second one is for the value, which behaves like a list. Okay?
right. And also it's
So
not, oh, sorry.
ID, sorry, ID it is written and set of string. So it can contain any type of it. So now you can see ID will be the unique one, right? The key and set of string, list of string. So one key can have multiple values in form of string or set. So in form of list or set. But if there is one-to-one relationship, then we are going to have key and value as a single, like whether it's integer, string, or anything. So the value can hold anything. Similarly, when you talk about list, they can also hold anything, any type of value they can hold, but they can have only one value. But here it is like key value pair. It is a combination of set and list. Key is nothing but you can compare it as a set. It is always unique. Value can behave like a list, which can contain duplicate values as well. And now using key, we get the values. Okay. So when we use key, that means suppose you are having a roll number, which is nothing but a string, or number as a key, and student name as value. So using your roll number, you can get the details of the student or the name of the student. Okay.
Right,
And here, as it was saying, ID. So ID is nothing but the unique identifier of any record. Right. So unique identifier of any record is whenever you create any record, Salesforce creates its ID, which you have seen, and using that wherever you are in Salesforce, when you put that ID after .com in URL, you will land to the record page of that particular ID, right?
right,
So ID is Salesforce ID. So now for our example, let's create two things. One roll number and student details. Will it help? roll number and student name, right?
Mhm.
Let's go to your developer console and check. No, no, no. It is less than greater than sign. No bracket. It's less than greater than sign. Yes. So just above that, just try to make that we are having a class. Okay. Jerry, Rudolph, Sonakshi, Tanu, Emmanuel are the students, right? So they are having roll number. Like Jerry is having roll number 1, Rudolph is having roll number 2. So just put a comment double slash or slash star. So double slash is used for single line comment. Slash star is used for multi-line comment. Yeah, star slash for ending. Yes. So here you can put first value, roll number 1 will be for Cherry. Yeah. Similarly, you can make 2 for anyone else, Rudolph or Tanu. Okay. 3. Yeah, even that will for or 5 for Emmanuel you can put, and then we will. Yeah. Now we are going to create a map where we are going to put these things. Okay. So first roll number is which type of value? Integer type of value. We are defining it first of all. Okay. And name is which type of value? It is string type of value, right? Right or not?
Right.
So our key will be of integer type and value will be of string type, right?
Mhm.
Which you have already done. Map integer string, right? Because
Right.
roll number is integer type and name is string type. There are chances that in a single class there can be one more student with name Tanu. More than one student we can have with same name, right? So put roll number 6 and give it a name again Tanu. Now we will see how it behaves. Okay. So now declare, define, and initialize the variable line number 13. Give it a name, new map. Put capital M. Even though it is case insensitive, But as a best practice, we use capital letter. Yeah. Again, why? Again, same thing. Bracket, small bracket, opening and closing small bracket and semicolon. Now you have declared, defined, and initialized X value. Now you have to put the value. So there in set and list, we were having method as add, ADD. But here in map, we have the method as put, PUT. And there we provide two values. One is your key and second one is your value. And those are comma separated. Yeah, put Jerry. Similarly, put others name.
Shanta,
Now you have put the value, but how will you get these values? So for that, we have a method named get. So you use like write system.debug. Inside it, write your m1.get 1. Inside bracket, write create a bracket, small bracket. Yeah, inside bracket 1. Yeah, execute it.
It gave output as Jen.
Great. So do the same thing for others. And in this, do one thing. Put that m1 dot get one in bracket as well, in single quote as well, so that you know which value you are getting. You or you can write the value of roll number 1. So that you know that it is for roll number 1 or 2 or 3. So you got it, like you got the roll number 6 value as well. It is the same as roll number 2.
Right.
Now let's do one thing. Go back to your class, and in line number no, keep it that as it is. Put enter line number 19. No, put 6. Yeah, enter, and again put m1. Put copy that line number 19 and put it in line number 20. Now this time use the existing roll number, and like roll number 3. Suppose roll number 3 you are using roll number 3, and put the value as Jack. Now again save and execute it. So what you got?
Oh, the later value got replaced with Rudolph.
Yes. So as the key was same, so the new value which you provided for roll number 2, that replaced the old value, right?
Right.
Now instead of Rudolph, it became Jack. Okay, that's why it is unique. So whenever you are using the existing key again, it will override the old data.
Okay.
Okay, this much is clear with everyone.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
Now here you have written so many things like 4, 5, 6 lines, 7 lines for fetching the data. Let's use for loop to get these information. Okay, so go wait, keep it that, keep it as it. Now use for loop for, and what should be the variable type, data type of the variable. Okay, so integer I, that means you want to store key in that variable, or you want to store value.
Key. So that this we can replace also.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you want to store. Okay,
Yes.
okay, that's fine, that's totally fine. So now use m1 dot, we have a method named key set bracket. Yeah, again at last curly bracket. Yeah, system dot debug I. Now save it. What error it is giving? Yeah, plus I, put plus I. Plus I, that's what, then only you will get roll number, right? Yeah. Now execute it. Save and execute. You are getting all the roll numbers, right? Right or not? You are getting the
Yes,
roll number.
only row numbers.
Now you want to get the values, that means names. So again use another for loop.
Inside.
Not inside. Why should it be inside? Outside. Yes, this time it should be of type string because
Names.
fetching the values and the data type of that is string, right?
Right.
Name is nothing but string. No, no, no. This time it will be values. Values. Yeah. Now again do the same thing. System.debug. Yeah, execute it.
But it's not together.
So now you're getting the name, right?
Right, but it's not together. Like,
You can see Jack over there. You can see Tanu twice, right? In values. Which you did, right? So any doubt so far? Anyone has any doubt, any query so far? These are the
no,
most
Shan.
commonly methods which are used in math. Generally, we deal with these all things. There are lots of other methods, but most of the times, 80% or 90% of the times, you will use these methods. Okay? Put, get, values, key set.
Sorry, Shan, what to put?
I said most of the time, you are going to use these methods only. Key set,
Get and
values,
set.
get, put.
Okay,
So here, put and get.
right. Now, how to do it together? Like, can we do it like this as output instead
Yeah.
of like,
Yeah. So when you are going with your key set, go with that. Yeah. You can write get in line number 23. Put enter. Yeah. So what is the name? M1 dot get. M1 dot get I in bracket I semicolon. Put it inside your system dot debug. Now you can remove line number 24.
24?
Yeah, we have already used it, right? So remove it. You now save and execute. You are getting it right.
Right.
So anyone has any doubt, any query? No. Yeah, Jerry.
I'm okay with it.
Tanu,
Shan,
are
one
you getting it?
question. Shan, I have a question.
Yeah.
So it said here, like, can contain nested collections. So
That
like
means the value which you are using, that can also be of type list or set.
like this, right? So same key to multiple list.
See, you have key. The value can also be the list, as I was saying. Currently, it is containing integer, single value. But there are chances that instead of roll number, it is the class name. And in class name, you want to see all the names of the students. So it will come as a list, right?
Right. Oh, right. True.
So that you can take as homework and try it out.
Sure.
Now, we are going to query the data from database, from object, which we were using as a query editor in class. Okay. So write query, select ID, name, and anything else you want to fetch from position object.
Position double underscore C.
Yeah, firstly write the query in query editor. If it does not have any error, then we will use it in code.
It's working.
Now we will use the same query in class. Copy it. Yeah, put it. Use it in same method. Last, you can put it. This is a loop, outside loop. Put it outside
No,
loop.
this is not loop, Shan.
Okay.
This was
It is
only
not
loop.
in. Okay, thanks. So when you use it, in class we use square bracket surrounded with H. So start, put square bracket opening before select, before select, and after C underscore C closing one. Now it gives us list type of values, list of records, right? You have already seen list of multiple records. It is given.
Right.
So which type of variable can hold it? List.
List.
Right? List. What should come in lesser greater than sign? No, it is not integer. It is of type object, position object, position underscore C. Right? So you write position underscore C. Yeah, close. Now give it a variable name, position list or anything. Equals to, no, directly you can use it, the query over here. Yeah, copy 42. Yeah, paste it, remove it. And now to see the values, use for loop, right? For now, yeah, which type of variable it will be now? What type of variable list is holding? What type of values list is holding? Line number 42.
You said
What type of value
object.
the list is holding? Object, and what is the name of that object?
Position.
Position underscore, right? So it will, the variable which will get, the value which will get out of list will be position underscore C. Right, copy and paste. Give it a variable name, position record or anything. And column. And then list name. What is the list name? Position list. Yeah, in curly. Yeah, right, system.debug and variable name position record. Variable name is position record, which you have written in line number 40. Yeah, you can add position record anything which you want to. Yeah, save and execute. Now see what are the things you get. So what are the things you are getting?
So the ID and the name.
And the name, right?
Right.
Add more columns and see how that comes. use multiple columns.
So please open and status.
So you're getting these informations, whatever you have feel you are adding, fixed. Right or not?
Right.
So the assignment would be to perform similar for other objects like candidate, reviews, employment website, job posting, job application. For all the objects which you have created, you need to write the query and fetch the record. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
guys.
sure. Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
Try it out.
Sir.
So we will next we'll see how we can update the record. How can we can change the values of any record and delete any record from this query, whatever you have fixed. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, you please go through the recordings and please go through the documents to get more clarity on the steps. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just little practice and you will become pro. Okay.
Go try.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. So tomorrow we are having class, or you want holiday?
Tomorrow holiday.
Holiday. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.